Hello, welcome to the video lecture on histogram specification. Histogram specification can be computed by the following way. First of all, we have to equalize the levels of original image. In second step, we have to specify the desired density function, and we have to obtain transformation function, and in third step we have to apply inverse transformation function. So by following these three steps we can perform the histogram specification. In this histogram specification we can modify one image histogram according with the another image histogram. Let's take one example for this. So here one original gray level distribution is given and target image gray level distribution is given. So we'll consider it as a image A histogram and image B histogram. So for this we can draw the histogram like this, and for the target we can draw the histogram. And what we have to do, we have to modify our histogram A according with histogram B. Okay, so these are 790 pixels. Next are 1023 pixels. Next are 850 pixels, 656, then 329, 245, 122 and 81. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and for second target image we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 0, 0, 0. At 3 we are having 6, 14 pixels. At 4 we are having 8, 19 pixels. At 5 we are having 12, 30 pixels. Okay, then at 6 we are having again 8, 19 pixels, and at 7 we are having 6, 14 pixels. So this is the histogram for image A and this is the histogram for image B. We have to modify the histogram of A as like histogram of B. So first of all what we have to do, we have to equalize the histogram for image A. So we'll equalize the histogram for image A. For that we have made one table. We'll find out the PDF function. That PDF function is PRRK. So we have to divide this value with the total number of pixels. Okay, so we'll get here 0.19, here we'll get 0.25, next we'll get 0.21, similarly here we'll get 0.16, next we'll get 0.08, next we'll get 0.06, next is 0.03 and last value is 0.02. Now for this CDF we have to add all the PRRK values. So here first value will be 0.19, next value will be 0.19 plus 0.25, so it will be 0.44. Okay, next value will be 0.19 plus 0.25 plus 0.21, it will be 65. Like that we have to add all the values, so we'll get all the values like this. Here it is 0.89. Next is 0.95. Next is 0.98, and the final value, the CDF value we are getting, is always equal to 1. Next we have to multiply with this CDF function with L minus 1. So capital L in our case is 8. 8 gray levels are given 0 to 7. So L minus 1 will be 7. So multiplying this with 7 will have 1.33, then 3.08. Next we are getting 4.55. Next is 5.67. Next we are getting is 6.23. After that 6.05. Next 6.86, and last value we are getting is 7. So we'll round up this to 1. This will be 3. This will be 5. This will be round up to 6. This will be 6. This will be 6. This will be 7, and this will be 7. Okay. Here wait, it is 65, so here it will be 7. Okay, after this we have to write down the new number of pixels. So it is 790 pixels to 1. For this 3 will have 1023 pixels. For gray level 5 we'll have assigned 850 pixels. Okay, for gray level 6 we'll add 656 and 329. So we'll have the addition of that, and we'll have 985 pixels. For gray level 7 we'll add 245, 122 and 81, and we'll get the number of pixels as 448. So this is the histogram equalization for image A. For image B we'll have histogram equalization similarly like that. Here PDF, CDF, like this we have to find out. I'll directly write down the table. Here, so it will be 0, 0, 0. Next is 0.419, 0.25. Next is 0.30 and 0.15. Here will be 0, 0, 0. Since all the values are 0, it will be equals to 0. Next is 0.419, 0.35. Sorry, here it is 149. Then 0.65, 0.85 and 1. So it will be 7. It is 5.97, 4.55, 2.45, 1.05, and round up value will be 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, actually there is no need for this last table. Okay, so this is the histogram equalization for image B. Next what we'll do, from our table number A we'll write down the new gray levels. Okay, so for image A, whatever the new gray levels that we have to write down here, so that are 1, 3, then 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. Okay, and for image B we have calculated or our round up values, that means this column we have to write down as it is here. So it is 0, 0, 0. then 1 2 5 6 7. Now we have to map our second column and third column. Okay, for that what we are going to do, first of all we'll map the values of second column and third column. So we have to check the nearest value towards this 1. So the nearest value or equal value to this new gray level 1 from image A with image B is 1, and then we have to do the reverse mapping, and for that what is the gray level? Gray level is 3. So this 3 now we are going to write in front of here as a map value. Okay, so here we have written 3. Similarly for this 3, the nearest value is either 3 or near value of 3. So if you observe here, the nearest value of 3 is 2, and what is the gray level of that 2? That gray level is 4. So that 4 value we are going to assign to this 3. Then the nearest value of 5 is 5. What is the gray level? Gray level is 5. For this 6 we are having this 6 value. Again for this 6 also we are having 6 value, and the gray level will be 6 here, and for this 6 again 6 here, and for this 7, this 7 and this 7 we are having gray level 7 from third column, and the gray level, original gray level is 7. So 7 7 7. So this is nothing but our map. And what we have to do, from our table 1, from this table 1, gray level 1 is having 790 pixels, means this table we have to write at the end, because we have to modify image A according with image B. Okay, so here we'll write down the new number of pixels of histogram of image A. So what are that? That are 790. Then for 4 we are having 1023. For 5 we are having 850. For 6 we are having how much? 985. For 7 we are having 448. And finally what we have to do, we have to draw the histogram or the new histogram. So this is the modified histogram, NK, and gray level let's consider S. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So for gray level 3 we are having 790 pixels. For gray level 4 we are having 1023 pixels. For gray level 5 we are having 850 pixels. For gray level 6 we are having 985 pixels, and for gray level 7 we are having 448 pixels. Okay, so and for this we are having value equals to 0. So if we compare, this is our new histogram, means the histogram for A which is modified according with B. So if you compare this histogram that with the histogram of image B, that are similar in looking. So by this way we can perform the histogram specification. So thank you for watching the video.